How's it everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be assembling a gazebo we bought from IKEA. I'll also be sharing my thoughts on what I think about this gazebo later on in this video. This is the GUNNÖN gazebo from IKEA. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The gazebo does come with instructions. IKEA always does a good job of labeling and identifying their pieces, making assembly quick and easy. I was able to complete this gazebo by myself in less than 30 minutes. The width and the length of this gazebo measure at 230 centimeters and 184 centimeters respectively. The tallest part of the gazebo measures at 235 centimeters and slopes down to 194 centimeters. These grooves on the legs of the gazebo indicate which side they belong on. One belongs on the left and two grooves belong on the right. They'll also point upward toward the highest part of the gazebo. I wasn't able to get a wide enough shot so that you could see me assembling this gazebo, but I am going to illustrate everything on the bottom right hand corner so you can follow along as I build this gazebo. Right now I'm just attaching the feet to the legs. These plastic gaskets will go in between the legs and the crossbars. I first attached the crossbars to the shorter side of the gazebo and then assembled the taller side of the gazebo and had it resting against the wall. This made it easier to attach the entire frame together. The shade for this gazebo works well against the sun. I'm not sure if it really protects us from the rain. I do find that there's water all over my chairs and my benches after a heavy rain, or even a light rain actually. Still, it's pretty stylish and pretty durable. It's been holding up during some windy days. Once the shade is on, all I have to do is anchor the gazebo onto the deck. And here is the gazebo. Overall, I like the gazebo. It's lightweight and durable. It's not real bulky. It is smaller than what I thought it was going to be, but I still really like the look of it. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.